Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS M513i. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS M513i has some keys that don't respond, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to dust, debris, or wear on the keyboard mechanism. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your productivity and lead to more extensive damage over time. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a can of compressed air, and, of course, a replacement keyboard if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To safely open your ASUS M513i, flip it over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or cables. Now, with the back panel removed, we can locate the keyboard connector. This is usually situated near the top of the device, connected to the motherboard. If you're unsure, you can refer to the manual or look for online guides specific to the ASUS M513i. To extract the faulty keyboard, carefully disconnect the cable by lifting the locking mechanism. It's important to apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the connector. Once the cable is free, you can lift the keyboard out of its housing. If you have a replacement keyboard, align it with the connectors and press it down firmly. Reconnect the cable by sliding it back into place, ensuring the locking mechanism is secure. Remember to check for any nearby components or wires that could be damaged during this process. After replacing the keyboard, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back panel onto the chassis and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug but don't over-tighten, as this can lead to further issues. Once everything is back in place, power on your ASUS M513i and test the keys to ensure they are responding correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to keep your keyboard clean by regularly using compressed air to blow out any debris, and consider using a keyboard cover. This can help protect against spills and dust. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.